Today, let's look into the fascinating science behind rosemary's healing properties, spanning from addressing common digestive discomforts to groundbreaking discoveries in combating neurodegenerative diseases. Ever wondered about the transformative effects of daily rosemary tea consumption on your own body? Rosemary isn't just any ordinary herb. It's a powerhouse spice celebrated for its myriad of health benefits. Originating from the mint family, this aromatic plant boasts a rich history dating all the way back to ancient Rome, where it was revered for its therapeutic properties. From alleviating headaches to enhancing memory and concentration, and even soothing digestive woes like gas and constipation, rosemary has long been a trusted remedy. In recent times, rosemary's popularity has surged, and this is thanks to some compelling research that reaffirms all of its medicinal prowess. Renowned for its invigorating herbal fragrance and its woody undertones, rosemary is a versatile herb that harnesses the essence of its needle-like leaves and aromatic oil. Beyond its culinary allure, rosemary boasts a rich medicinal heritage that spans centuries. So what exactly are the traditional uses of this herb? The remarkable health benefits of rosemary stem from its impressive array of both active compounds and some inherent properties. Brimming with potent anti-inflammatory agents, rosemary not only tantalizes our taste buds, but it also offers therapeutic relief. Additionally, its bounty of phenolic compounds imbued with robust antioxidant and antimicrobial prowess just further elevate its medicinal appeal. With rosemary, nature's healing touch is just a fragrant infusion away. When it comes to incorporating fresh rosemary into your routine, just remember to thoroughly cleanse and rinse it in order to ensure optimal safety and freshness. Alternatively, you could also source it from reputable herbal outlets, where quality is guaranteed. So, let's get on with discussing all of the empowering reasons why integrating rosemary tea into your daily regimen can have a real positive impact on your well-being. Rosemary tea serves as a potent ally in managing blood sugar levels, which is quite advantageous for individuals that are navigating prediabetes or type 2 diabetes mellitus. How does rosemary work its magic on glucose metabolism? Well, by enhancing insulin sensitivity, it primes the body to utilize insulin more effectively, therein facilitating the efficient absorption of glucose by our muscle cells. Moreover, rosemary harbors compounds that mimic the action of insulin, further bolstering its capacity to regulate blood sugar levels. Indulging in a daily cup of rosemary tea can serve as a potent tool, especially during phases of increased stress or anxiety. Notably, it contributes to enhancing the quality of sleep, effectively tackling stress-related insomnia. Rosemary is also a potent circulatory enhancer, promoting the dilation of blood vessels and effectively reducing blood pressure. High blood pressure poses significant risks to both heart and brain health, making rosemary's circulatory benefits particularly valuable. This vascular dilation not only aids in blood pressure reduction, but also enhances microcirculation. By improving blood flow in smaller vessels and capillaries, tissues then receive more oxygen and metabolic waste removal is more efficient. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties found in rosemary help to mitigate the risk of thrombosis. However, it is important to note that excessive consumption of rosemary tea or other forms of the herb can lead to some side effects, which we'll explore later. If you have multiple medical conditions or you're taking medications, it's quite important to consult with a healthcare professional before you incorporate rosemary or any other herbs, supplements, or medicinal plants into your regimen. Rosemary acts as a potent supporter of the immune system, reinforcing the body's defenses against infections. Its multifaceted abilities, to include antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties, all effectively combat this proliferation of viruses, bacteria, and fungi alike. Interestingly enough, too, The historical use as a natural preservative underscores its efficacy in extending the freshness of foods. Rosemary stands out as a champion when it comes to intestinal wellness, as it boasts a long, impressive history of addressing various digestive concerns with efficacy and finesse. From easing bloating and gas to promoting regular bowel movements and soothing abdominal discomforts, the versatility and digestive support of rosemary is just unmatched. By harnessing its antispasmodic properties, rosemary gently relaxes the smooth muscles of the digestive tract, offering relief from potential discomfort and enhancing overall digestion. Moreover, rosemary's gallbladder-stimulating prowess encourages bile secretion, facilitating the breakdowns of fats and optimizing the digestive process. Its anti-inflammatory nature makes it a valuable ally for individuals managing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. Rosemary also plays a pivotal role in nurturing a harmonious balance within our gut microbiota, nourishing beneficial bacteria with its prebiotic properties, and inhibiting the growth of harmful pathogens with its antimicrobial attributes. Rosemary offers remarkable support for liver health as well, actively reducing the buildup of dietary fat in this vital organ. Its benefits extend not only to individuals with fatty liver conditions, but also provides a shield against potential cell damage or inflammation induced by medications or toxins. If you're somebody navigating liver concerns, you should consider the inclusion of rosemary, whether as a seasoning or through rosemary tea. It could be a wise decision worthy of discussion with your healthcare provider. We mentioned before that rosemary is gaining traction among researchers for its promising effects on brain health. One of its star components, carnosic acid, has shown promise in combating brain damage triggered by free radicals. Beyond this, rosemary plays a vital role in optimizing nerve cell communication by breaking down acetylcholine, thus bolstering memory and concentration. And the benefits don't even stop there. Rosemary is hailed for its mood-boosting qualities, offering relief from anxiety and fatigue. All of these remarkable properties have been substantiated by numerous studies. Interestingly, the use of rosemary dates back to ancient Greece, where scholars valued it for its memory-enhancing effects. The improved circulation facilitated by rosemary can mitigate brain damage post-stroke, whether from hemorrhage or clot obstruction, offering another layer of protection. Furthermore, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory actions hold promise in safeguarding against neurodegenerative ailments, things like Alzheimer's, various dementias, and even Parkinson's disease. Rosemary presents a variety of advantages for both skin and hair well-being. It actively fights against premature aging, accelerates wound healing, and even offers soothing release for various skin conditions, such as seborrheic dermatitis, acne, psoriasis, and alopecia areata, which is a condition marked by patchy hair loss. These beneficial effects are supported by robust scientific evidence. Rosemary boasts some remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, positioning itself as a valuable asset for individuals that are grappling with joint discomfort due to inflammation, commonly observed in conditions such as arthritis, osteoarthritis, or general muscle pains. Embracing rosemary in everyday culinary endeavors or just enjoying it as rosemary tea can easily unlock these benefits. Furthermore, studies have indicated that directly applying rosemary essential oils to afflicted areas holds promise when it comes to alleviating pain. Rosemary also demonstrates some promising capabilities in supporting our eye health, particularly in combating age-related issues. Its properties have the potential to decelerate the advancements of conditions like cataracts, which cause the lens of the eye to become opaque, and even some age-related macular degeneration, which is a condition affecting the eye's back portion and potentially leading to vision loss. With age, the compounds found in rosemary not only decrease the risk of developing these sort of conditions, but they also notably impede any progression of these conditions. Like any consumable product, rosemary does carry the potential for allergic reactions. This risk applies whether you're ingesting rosemary orally, such as in tea or seasoning, or even applying it topically to the skin. Excessive consumption of rosemary can lead to digestive issues. Drinking more than 2 cups of rosemary tea daily might trigger symptoms like bloating, abdominal discomfort, nausea, or even vomiting. While rosemary does indeed boast numerous health benefits, responsible consumption is vital. It's always wise to start with small amounts, especially if you're new to incorporating rosemary into your routine. And make sure to monitor how your body responds. If any adverse reactions occur, discontinue use and seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Additionally, individuals with symptomatic gallstones should probably avoid rosemary due to its potential to increase bile secretion, which could easily lead to complications. Similarly, those with bleeding disorders should also exercise caution, as rosemary possesses mild anticoagulant properties that could exacerbate bleeding tendencies. Consulting with a medical professional before using rosemary is always advisable, especially for individuals taking blood-thinning medications, as rosemary might interact with these drugs, potentially intensifying their effects. Anti-hypersensitive medications like enalapril, linol, and Lartin, as well as diuretics which are commonly prescribed for heart and kidney conditions, might also be affected by rosemary consumption. When it comes to medications, just always err on the side of caution, and of course, seek guidance from healthcare providers regarding potential interactions. As a friendly reminder, this video is intended for educational purposes only, and if you do have any health concerns, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and you should consider sharing all these valuable insights with your loved ones. For more health and wellness tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content, and hey, check out these additional intriguing videos on natural healing that are going to appear on your screen at the end of this video. Click on any of them to continue your journey of knowledge with us. Thanks so much for watching.